Tonight, a Stillwater bar is facing charges connected to a young man's death last Christmas Eve.
It's an unusual case that an attorney we spoke with said he's never seen happen in Minnesota. Brian's Bar and Grill is accused of serving alcohol to George Musser, who was underage the night he died.
Danny Spiewak walks us through the charges and who will have to answer to those charges in court.
2 nights before Christmas, prosecutors say the staff at Brian's Bar and Grill in Stillwater served alcohol to 20-year-old George Musser without asking for identification. According to a criminal complaint, the college student then became extremely impaired. After leaving the bar and disappearing in sub-zero temperatures, Musser's family reported him missing.
He was disoriented and just couldn't find his way home.
He was later found dead a few miles away.
There was a big hole this holiday without having George at the table.
Now, 4 months later, the Stillwater City Attorney has charged Brian's Bar and Grill with 2 misdemeanor counts of providing alcohol to someone under 21, listing the bar itself as the defendant.
This, in your mind, is unusual to see a business as opposed to an individual being charged.
Very unusual. I cannot recall a bar or a restaurant being criminally charged for something like this.
Joe Tamburino is a legal analyst and attorney who is not connected to the case.
Well, you're charging a business, not just a person. However, the owner of the business, they too could be criminally liable and go to jail if there was a conviction.
According to the criminal complaint, Musser's mom had called the bar a few weeks earlier to warn them that her son was, quote, getting drunk there and that underage individuals know Brian's Bar and Grill is a place where they can drink underage. Prosecutors say a manager told Musser's mom they were aware of the problem.
I would imagine the defense that the bar owner would have is that this was really an employee's mistake or an employee's conduct, and the bar didn't have any idea of it. And many times it's difficult to prove that the whole entity, the business, knew what was happening.
Representatives from Brian's will make their first court appearance next month. If convicted, the first misdemeanor carries up to a year in jail, while the second carries up to 90 days. I should say we reached out to Brian's ownership, but they have not responded to our request for comment. Back to you.